Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Today's topic is on how to get rid of tanning. As you can see, there is tanning around my mouth, there is also on my forehead, and also there are bags under my eyes. If you want to know how do I get rid of all these things, then please keep watching. You need 3 ingredients for detan. I have taken a piece of tomato, 2 tablespoons of gram flour and aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel. I have taken the Patanjali one. Now adding a little bit of water, and we'll also be adding little bit of aloe vera gel to the pack. Now I'm going to mix it really very well. You don't want any lumps forming in the pack. Remember, you need to mix it in one direction. This is how the consistency should be, guys. Keep on mixing till there are no lumps forming. Now I'm going to take a piece of tomato and I'm going to rub it all over my face. Tomato is very rich in antioxidants, helps your skin look young and soft for long. Tomato is acidic, hence easily removes tan from the skin. You can already see, guys, how fresh my skin looks after applying tomato. Now I'm going to go in with the pack. Gram flour, it helps in exfoliating dead skin and also fights acne. It helps in lightening the tan caused by the sun, and it also gives instant brightening effect to the skin. Adding aloe vera gel is an excellent remedy for taking care of dark tans. It soothes the irritated skin and it has a natural cooling effect, which helps in healing any inflammation, sunburn or suntan as well. You need to apply a thin layer all over your face. Remember to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes at least. I usually keep it for half an hour for more effect. After washing your face, you can already see, guys, how my skin has become. It looks very soft, it looks very fresh, and I really love it. By now you must have got that aloe vera is my favorite ingredient because it actually benefits the skin the most and almost instantly. I use it every day after each and every scrub, face wash or any pack. It really helps my skin, guys. I'm sure it will help your skin as well. So here I am, guys. I'm done with the pack and I can already feel how my skin has become soft and bright. Please like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you all liked the video. Many more things is yet to come. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.